What's up, overlanders? If you've been following our Instagram at all, you know that I was hard at work on the tent the other day, and so I thought I'd make a quick vlog video and show you what I did. So we'll start right here. These corners, as of a few days ago, were just open. The seam was left open, never finished. All of the edges here were frayed. They hadn't been sewn shut yet, so I did a flat felled seam on the end of that, just to close it up nice. Let's see here. Over on the back, same thing. Closed up the corners, cleaned it all up, and that frayed edges. Those frayed edges were all the way along the base of this thing. Added a couple patches here, there, patches there and there. Those are sealing. They're drying right now. I've got them some seam sealer on it. And under here, see if you can see that. This unistrut. Over here, this unistrut had made a couple sore spots, so I ground those down, softened it up a little bit. And Sarah had cut herself on the unistrut over here. It's covered up now, but anyway, that won't be a problem anymore. Let's go inside so I can show you what I did in here. This is exciting. So there were a few times that the corners of the bedding would get stuck on the nuts and bolts that hold these vertical bars, the support bars together, and almost punctured holes in the bedding. So that won't be a problem anymore because of these straps I added in. They're screwed into the wood here underneath, and I can adjust how tight they are, obviously. And that actually also helps a lot because when I close this thing, also pretty much every time the bedding would get stuck in between the bars and try to protrude outside the tent, and that would make it not close so well. So now I don't have to worry about any of that anymore. I did also get a couple punctures from the conduit couplers here that attach these two conduit pieces, and so I went ahead and taped over those with some electrical tape. Smooth that out. These two patches over here were from punctures caused by the conduit coupler. So all of those are taped up nice now. Shouldn't be a problem. And there was one other spot over here. These black straps. Camera up. These black straps are what kind of hold the bars in the right place, and they take the tension off of the tent fabric. And these are just regular tie downs, ratcheting tie downs. And the ratchet portion had also caused a couple little puncture spot over there. So it's slowly but surely figuring out all the little things that need to be fixed on here. But I guess that's just part of building your own tent, right? So I think that's about it. And I'm just finishing sealing up those patches so that I don't have to worry about water coming through. I think that's just about everything. Yeah, so like I said, just thought I'd make a quick little vlog, show you guys what I've been working on. Next thing is going to be to add a couple straps on the door there to make that easier to roll up. And have it be more sturdy when it is rolled up. But anyway, as always, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next one and hope to see you out on the trails.